her dog if she's got any fear at all.
Good boy. You just wanted to snap, but that's good. That's alright. I'm like, and that's why we have two.
I know. I C-clip onto I C-clip mine onto my collar
He doesn't care
too.
about Sammy either.
Yep. Good boy. Come on. Alright, good boy. Yeah, she's not backing away, which is good.
She doesn't back away from any dog.
Yeah.
Hey.
No kitty. Oh, his whole mouth's going. Come here, sit. Come on. Sit. Can you not sit? Good boy.
See, he's interested, which is usually.
He's doing that thing with his mouth, like when they get a scent of girl. He's getting a little excited.
Yeah, maybe no kitties.
Maybe no kitties. Sit down. Come here, Mama.
You have a squirt bottle? Should squirt him. Oh. Yeah, that's not good. That was close.
Hey.
Freddie.
Hey. No. I would say probably no cats.
Yeah.
You know, unless they really wanted to take the time to
Yeah, that would be
really
a lot of time, yeah.
Yeah. Really introduce them.
She's not. When she feels threatened, she wouldn't be in this room.
Away. Yeah.
She would not be in this room at all.
But it takes her a lot to feel threatened.
Yeah.
Clearly.
Clearly.
Yeah, she
Because
marches
he
right up
almost
to,
got a hold of her there.
She marches up to any dog that walks in this place.
Freddie.
Here, hold him. Yeah, he was, she jumped up over expecting that.
No. No.
Yeah, it's no kitty.
Oh, I want to let him get that close because he did come pretty close when he jumped up.
Yeah.
It was
he
like,
get better, or was he
yeah.
just
Oh,
trying
no.
to-
He,
Oh, okay.
yeah, it
I
was
wasn't
like,
really expecting any to go
Yeah.
down.
it was like inches from getting.
Mama,
Okay.
you got inches from being eaten.
Clearly she's worried.
Yeah, she just doesn't give a shit.
Yeah, no kitties for you, huh,
You want to
buddy?
put that collar back on?
I'm sorry. It's a bummer. I'm gonna do this thing.
Oh, no, you gotta